A very happy morning, students. So today we are going to discuss the another question and which is related to another source of finance. So we are continuing with the chapter and dealing with the question which is related to the real life. So first of all we have to understand the question and find out about which source of finance this question is talking about. So let us proceed with the question. Enjoy Entertainment is a popular film entertainment company. So, here first thing which we came to know that this is related with a company. The company name is Enjoy Entertainment. So there is no proper information has been given whether it is a public company or a private company. The limited word is not mentioned. So we are assuming here that it is a public company. There is no specific information is given. So in these cases, we generally assume that it is a public company. So here the first thing we came to know that Enjoy Entertainment is a public company here. Now what they're saying, keeping in view the growing culture of multiplex, its owner has decided to make some changes in the interiors. That means they are going to make the changes in the interiors of the movie hall and all. So what are the changes they are going to make? Creating a lounge area, installing more efficient sound system, etc. The company wants for a period, the company wants loan. Actually, the company wants fund for period more than 1 year, but not less than 5 years. So here in this case, the company want the money for a period which is more than 1 year, but less than 5 year, because it thinks that within 5 year they will be in a position to pay out the money. So if it is taking loan, so in this case they are ready to pay out the money within 5 years and all. So that is why their target is to raise the fund from such a source which can be repaid after 5 years. That means they don't want to go for the long term loan. First thing is very much clear, but more than 1 year, that means they are also not ready for short term loan. That means they don't want the long term loan as well as they don't want the short term loan. So we have to decide about medium term source of finance. What are the sources which are available for a medium term? Basically, there are two sources which are available for the medium term. They can go for loan. They can take out the loan for a medium term. They can. This is a very good option. And another option which is available to company. Just think about it. What is it? We have read about it. Yes. The another option is public deposit. Remember, we have just discussed about public deposit. I'm just going to recapitulate again. So when we are talking actually about public deposit, what it is, we are inviting people, we are inviting public to deposit their money in the company. Yes, the way we deposit our money in the bank and earn a good interest rate, similarly, we are having the option to deposit our money in the company and earn a good interest. For example, if we are depositing money in the bank and we are earning an interest of 7.5% approx, if we are making deposit in fixed account, we are making fixed deposit. So this is approximately our interest rate which is running in the market. But this another situation is that if we are depositing money in a company, the company promises to pay the interest which is more than the bank. That means it obviously it will be more than 7.5%. It may be 10%, it may be 11%, it may be 12%. So this is a plus point for us. If we are depositing money in the company, we are earning a good interest. First thing. Okay. Now let's come to the second thing. What is the benefit of company now? Company is giving good interest to the public. Similarly, company is somehow reducing the burden of interest, because when the company will approach to the bank will charge a higher interest from the company for giving out the loan. For example, the bank will charge near about 14% approximately. It may be near about more than 14 or 15, less than 14 also possible, but at any moment it will be expensive from the public deposit. So this way we can say that public deposit is beneficial for the public as well as for the company also. Company can pay lower interest in comparison to the loan if they have taken from the bank. So public deposit is somehow beneficial. Right now we have said now there are two sources through which the company can raise the fund. Either they can go to the bank and take the medium term loan, or they can call the public to deposit the money in the company. So when we are analyzing all these things, we have seen that public deposit is rather better option than taking loan from the bank, because here we are getting the money at lower interest rate. So we have to understand one more thing, that what is the time period, for how long can we utilize this public deposit. So the option is that there is a time period minimum 6 months. That means if we are raising fund from the public, if we are telling the public to deposit the money, at least for 6 months the public can deposit, and maximum time period is 3 years, or you can say it is from 6 months to 36 months. So 6 months to 3 years. This is the time duration of public deposit. Public can deposit their money for the period of minimum 6 months, and maximum they can deposit for 36 months. And here in this case also the company need a medium term source of finance, because they are ready that okay, after 5 years we don't need it, within 5 years only everything will be settled down. So according to this question, public deposit is the best source of finance. But yes, one problem is there. If our company is new, if we don't have a good reputation, the problem will be created then only, because when the public don't know about us, when the public have no idea about our company, why will they deposit their money in our company? The first problem. Second problem, if we do not have a good reputation, then why anyone will deposit their money in our company? Because they know if we will deposit the money in the company, maybe in the future we will not get the return back, we will not get the money back on time. So it is very much important that we should have a good reputation, as well as it should not be a new company. Then only there is a chance that we will we can raise fund through public deposit. Okay, and one more problem is that we are not sure that how much public is going to deposit the money. So maybe in future when we need a huge amount, we cannot totally rely on public deposit. When the money is used and all, we should go for other source, we can go for the loan actually. So it depends on the situation. If it is a reputed company, as you can see here, it is a popular film entertainment company. That means it is this entertainment company is not at all going to face any kind of problem. It is already a popular one, and it can utilize the this particular source of finance. They can go for public deposit. So by analyzing this particular question, we came to know about public deposit and how it is useful in this situation. Okay, thank you so much. So this was the question and the explanation which is related with the question. Have a nice day.